Athanasian Creed, Episode 8. Et tamen non tres aeterni, sed unus aeternus, sicut non tres in creati, nec tres im mensi, sed unus in creatus, et unus im mensis. In the previous portion of the Creed, we are taught that the three persons of the Trinity are eternal. Et tamen, and nevertheless, there are not three eternals, but one eternal. Tres aeterni is masculine plural and nominative, whereas unus aeternus is masculine singular and nominative. With non tres aeterni, we must supply the verb sunt, and with sed unus aeternus, we would provide the third singular indicative of esse, namely est. The Creed continues, just as there are not three uncreated, non tres in creati, masculine plural, nominative, nor are there three immensi, unmeasured or limitless, same gender number case, sed unus in creatus, but there is one uncreated, and there is one boundless, unus immensis. So in creatus unus immensis, and this unus are all masculine, singular nominative, to emphasize, to clarify the unity of the Godhead.